how to actually become productive. As you can see from my productivity tracker, the end of 2023 was very screwed, but in 2024, things have changed, and I will share step-by-step solutions that helped in this transformation. First solution, it's a simple one, but so effective. So sit down comfortably in your room without any distractions, and notice how your brain reacts after you listen to this just for 30 seconds. What this sound of frequency does is, it strengthens your 5 senses, but that's not all. This frequency has a profound effect on your mind as well. It's like hitting the reset button on all those thoughts that keep buzzing around in the background, distracting you from what truly matters. In just a matter of seconds, you'll find yourself laser-focused, with a clarity of mind that's simply unparalleled. Now, I have to stress that this isn't something you want to overdo. Like meditation, its effectiveness diminishes with overuse. That's why I recommend saving it for those moments when you're feeling stuck or unable to concentrate. Just a minute or two of immersing yourself in this frequency can work wonders in getting you back on track. After you do this, you can focus on the work, whether it is reading a book, meditating, or working on your business. But how can you do that? That's where the second solution comes in: minimalization. I will give you one more example. It's your time of workout and you are procrastinating to do it. Do this simple: get on the floor and do 1 set of push-ups, just 1. This will help you start the workout and help you lower the standards of friction. Now you know how to start, but you can't expect yourself in the beginning to do 15 minutes of meditation. Obviously, it is going to be damn hard and feel like climbing a mountain. So, here's a gentle approach. Start with just 1 minute of meditation. Yes, you heard me right, 1 minute. Or if that still feels too challenging, begin with 10 mindful breaths. By starting small, you're building the foundation for a consistent meditation practice. Or you want to read a book, start by reading 10 pages, or even better, just read 1 page. In the beginning, you need to break larger goals into smaller and smaller. This type of approach will help you build confidence. By starting small, we not only make the task less intimidating, but also create a pathway for sustainable progress. Now it's time to progressive overload that involves gradually increasing the intensity, duration, or frequency of tasks to continually challenge the body and stimulate adaptation. Now let's put this into action with a practical example. Imagine starting with just 1 push-up on day 1. Easy, right? But here's where the magic happens. On day 2, you're upping the bar with 2 push-ups. Day 3, 5 push-ups and adding in a solid 30 seconds of meditation. Day 4, you're pushing yourself to 7 push-ups and extending your meditation time to 45 seconds. And by day 5, you're hitting a solid set of 10 push-ups, boosting your meditation to a focused 1 minute, and adding in some mental stimulation with reading just 1 page of a book. Starting off with 1 push-up and a short meditation session seems like a breeze, but sticking to it day after day, that's where the real challenge lies. It's easy to get pumped up for the first couple of days, hitting all your goals, but then, on day 3, suddenly you will find yourself falling short from achieving your goals. The key to overcoming these setbacks lies in 2 powerful tools: accountability and momentum. First up, accountability. It's all too easy to let ourselves off the hook when no one's watching. That's why I highly recommend implementing a productivity tracker to keep yourself in check. Whether it's a physical journal or an app on your phone, having a record of your daily habits can work wonders for keeping you accountable. Next, let's talk about momentum. Ever heard the saying, "A body in motion stays in motion"? Well, the same principle applies here. If you skip a workout or slack off on your meditation one day, it's tempting to throw in the towel completely. But trust me, that's the last thing you want to do. Instead, focus on just doing it, whether it's just 1 set of push-ups or a quick 5-minute meditation session. By keeping that momentum going, you'll find it much easier to bounce back from setbacks and stay on track toward your goals.